Alright guys, so real quick video today. We're just going to show a comparison of exhausts. We got Antoine's 2016 ZX-10R, a full SE Project S1 exhaust, completely titanium. Then we have my 2017 ZX-10R with just an Austin Racing, I think it's the GP3 V3 slip-on exhaust.
So, few dBs higher?
A few. What? So go over the dBs according to that app anyway. What?
So according to this, I think yours was idling around 76. Peaked at, I think, what, 84, I think we said, Rev?
Yeah.
And then mine is idle around 80, and then peaked at 94 at around 6,000 RPMs.
Well, they had it. What'd you guys think? I still personally like mine.
I like, yours has a deeper growl. I like the deeperness.
But so yeah, the Austin Racing, it seems like it has a deeper sound to it. It's also just a slip-on, so I don't know how it would compare if I had like a full thing. And it's a low mount versus a high mount, so there's a lot of different variables there. But as soon as he starts his bike up, it is just so loud. Like mine has the deep, but it's not overly loud. And his is just like a monster. As soon as you start it up, it's just crazy. Now, we downloaded a bunch of different decibel meter apps, and they all are different. So we really don't know what the actual decibel level is. His is definitely louder, and you can tell. Like, if I start mine up and then he starts his up at the same time, mine just gets overpowered by his instantly. It's definitely louder. So I guess if you're looking between these two bikes for a ZX-10, you know, you got different options for sure, but it just depends on what you're going for. So yeah, I guess that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and be sure to keep coming back because we're gonna maybe get some flybys of his bike soon. So should be cool. See you guys in the next one.